Morning, everybody. So how do you get that offer accepted? You're out shopping for a property. You would like to put an offer in. You don't know at what level you're going to put the offer in. You really need to get yourself ready for that offer. But how do you do this? There's a couple of tips that will ensure your offer is accepted. A, know your numbers, know your own money. Get yourself pre-approved by a bond originator. Know the costs included in the sale and the costs that are not included in the sale. Also ensure that you know how long your deposit will take to release if it's invested, and have that ready. Make your offer non-conditional. Do not make conditions in your offer that are unnecessary and will slow up the process, trip the seller up, and make him not even think of your offer. And lastly, if there is any work in the property that you do want to check on the pricing, or there's something you're not sure of, make sure you do this before you put your offer in. And one of the key areas of getting to what we call that sweet spot in the price is, of course, having shopped around, you should have a sense. You should look at what has sold that is similar and what the price is, and then put your offer in just at a price that's just too good for the seller to refuse, but it is a bit lower than what you feel he may accept. Because you are relying on your agent to go in and fight your battle for you in terms of the price, yet she can't go to the seller, or he can't go to the seller. If the price is so low, the minute the agent walks in to see the seller, they just, whoops, don't shoot the messenger. I'm just bringing you a piece of paper with a low offer. So put your offer in at a level that even the agent is fighting for you, because the offer makes sense and it is a fair, realistic, right offer. Happy investing.